Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. Please open your English books. As you know that we have been reading our lesson number 4, Pothole. Yesterday we read in this lesson about the meaning of pothole, why it is being caused, and who was the main character of the story. We read that Faiza was the main character of this story, and she was very good and good-hearted and caring person who wanted to bring happiness and create easiness for others' life. And in this story, Faiza sorted out a problem, an issue in her locality, and we read about the meaning of pothole, that they are the large holes in the surface of road caused by bad weather or when water enter into the ground under the pavement. Okay, so we will read right from there we left yesterday. Please keep your pencils from where I am reading and underline difficult words when I will say. That's enough, said Faiza to herself. I'm not waiting a moment longer. Why did she say so? Because she has written a letter to the sanitary inspector or to the responsible person of that locality, but they have not replied her letter. And since she has written and mentioned, in a whole month there were lots of accidents. She has mentioned in a diary. Can you see it even? So she said to herself that I am not waiting a moment longer. What do you think? What could she have done? Being a young girl, let's see what she has done. Faiza found a basket and filled it with soil from her garden. She packed some compost. Underline the word compost. Students, compost is a mixture of various decaying organic substances, like dead leaves. So that is, you can say that compost is a food for growing some plant. What she did, she packed some compost into a bag. She carefully dug out a few small flowering shrubs. Underline the word shrubs. Students, shrubs mean a woody plant which is smaller than a tree and has several main stems arising, or you can say it's a bush, but it is smaller than a tree and a woody plant. And put them in a bag. She filled an old watering can with water. Then she found 3 long lengths of wood and some board pins. You must be surprised that why did she do all that? Why she's carrying and where she's carrying all these things. Okay, let's read. She placed the items near her front door. Back in her room, Faiza found 3 large sheets of card. She began to write and draw on them. In the evening, Faiza collected all the things and took them out into the side of the road. She fixed 2 of the sheets of card to put to 2 pieces of wood. She propped them up with stones. Underline the word propped. Propped mean support or to keep in position, to keep it upright. At each end of the road, the signs said road closed. How did she do that? Look at the next page. See? This way, she fixed 2 sheets of cards with 2 pieces of wood and she propped them up with stone. Then each side of road, not only this is visible to us, but on its back side even she has written the same, road closed. Why did she do all these measures? What do you think? And why she is growing the woody plants the way she is doing in the picture? What do you think? Why she is doing all that? We will disclose it in later. Okay, Faiza went back to the big pothole and emptied the basket of soil into it. What she did? She put all the basket of soil and compost. She added the compost and mixed it all together. She put all the things to fill that pothole. She planted the shrubs and watered them the way she's doing in the picture. Okay. She then pushed the third piece of wood into the soil and pinned the last sheet of card to it. On it was a colorful sign. Okay. Faiza removed the road closed signs and went home. She put that sign, picture of road closed, because she was doing something on that road, and the road was occupied by the equipment she was bringing with her, so that the people who are driving on the same road, they could see that something is going on, okay, from a distance. You might have seen, even if somewhere there are some sort of work being doing by some companies on the road, then they have written boards over there that's work, sorry for the inconvenience, there is some work is going on. So what she said, then when she put all the shrubs and she planted a shrub and watered it, then she removed that road closed sign, okay, and she went home. She looked out of the window. There was no pothole on the road now because she has filled it. In its place was a lovely little garden. Can you see this garden? It's quite lovely and small at the same time. Soon a large crowd gathered. People stopped to look. The children from the kindergarten stopped to look. When traffic passed by, drivers smiled and slowed down. They drove carefully round the garden. The next morning, a man with a camera arrived. He took lots of photos of Faiza's pothole garden. Shortly after that, the picture appeared in the newspaper. The chief of police arrived to have a look. Even the mayor came. Faiza's little garden was moved to the side of the road. The pothole was finally filled and shiny new surface was put on the road. The garden today is called Faiza Garden and it is full of lovely flowering shrubs. Students, did you came to realize that why did she do that? Why she planted shrubs and watered them? Because she was a soft-hearted girl. She doesn't want any accident to be happen again. She filled, actually the whole purpose was to fill that pothole. Okay. So when she did it, lots of people noticed it. Lots of people encouraged her, appreciate her. And that is why when they were passing through, they were smiling. And even what happened, there was a man who was definitely a reporter. He came and the photographer might be an editor of some newspaper. Then when the picture appeared in the newspaper, the chief police, they arrived, and then the road was filled with new and shiny surface. They accurate it. Okay, they filled that gap with the, you can say, appropriate form of road. So you can say that little act of kindness are not worthless. They are worthy enough to be noticed. Okay? You see, what do you think? What are the reasons of road accidents? First tell me. They can be various, like overspeeding, braking, traffic rules, not wearing seat belts. But here in this lesson, we discussed specifically about potholes and bad conditioned roads. We also learn in this lesson, students, that helping others or thinking about others' safety matters a lot and works wonder. Right? When she did a little act of kindness, then so many people noticed it, and it helped lots of people in this way. I hope you have understood the story and how a little girl added her value being living in that locality. Even we being we think that we are nobody's noticing us, but if we will do anything for the betterment of our people, fellow beings, humanity, it will be noticed, it will never be wasted. So this is all about today's lecture. Inshallah, with the exercises of this lecture, we will meet in our next session. Till then, stay blessed. Good.